Hi guys, this is Joe
Ka.
and this is
Joelka.
Hi guys, again, this is Joe. Magandang morning, hapon o gabi sa inyo guys, kung anong oras nyo man pinapanood tong video na to. And yes, we are back. Joelka is back with another video vlog. And for today's vlog, ang pag-uusapan natin guys is ang favorite subject namin, which is math. May mga ibang viewers ba dyan na favorite subject din ng math tulad namin? So stay tuned guys ha. Kasi pag-uusapan natin ngayon, bakit ba karamihan sa mga tao ayaw ng math? Kasi nasanay sila sa acronym na math na ang ibig sabihin ay Mental Abuse to Humans, math. Pero I beg to disagree. Kasi para sa akin, math is fun, math is enjoyable. And for today's video, magpapakita kami sa inyo ng recreational math activities na you can share with your friends and families. Para maiba naman yung mindset nila na math is boring, kasi puro solve, puro numbers, no. So dito guys, sa video na to, I hope na mag-e-enjoy kayo at matututo kayo ng madami. Are you guys ready? Let's go!
Recreational math is a mathematics that carried out for entertainment or the recreation rather than in a strictly research and application-based professional activity. It often involves mathematical puzzle and games that may include pattern.
So yun guys, magandang umaga ulit, hapon o gabi sa inyo. So ngayon, ito ang isa sa mga recreational math problems na ipapakita ko sa inyo na pwede nyo ipakita sa friends and families nyo para mag-enjoy din kayo. Ito siya. You guys ready? Let's go! So ito yung unang problem natin guys. Tapos, hindi nyo masyado makita. Teka lang ha. Ayan, mas maganda nakita nyo, di ba? So for our first problem, let's say the days in the week has corresponding values. Let's say Monday is 13124, Tuesday is 20224, Wednesday is 23324, Thursday is 20424, Friday is 6524, and Saturday is 19624. Now, let us try and solve the correct value of Sunday. To solve this, let us first observe the numbers given. So, titignan muna natin guys, ano nga ba ang mga given numbers? So, makikita natin, meron silang similarities. And that is the number 24 sa dulo. Double check natin guys, lahat ba may 2 and 4? Yes, meron. So, it means to say, the last 2 digits of Sunday is number 2 and 4. Now, let's observe deeper. Pagmasdan naman natin yung third digit nila. Meron ba silang similarities? Wala, di ba? Tignan natin. Sa Monday, 1. Sa Tuesday, 2. Sa Wednesday, 3. Sa Thursday, 4. Pero sa Friday, ang third digit niya 2. Finally, Saturday, ang third digit niya is 6. Now, dahil inobserve natin, meron tayong 2 clues. Ang first clue natin is, Monday is the first day of the week. Kaya ang third digit niya is 1. Ang Tuesday is the second day of the week. Kaya ang third digit niya is 2. Same with Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Again, ang first clue natin is yung third digit nila. It corresponds sa day ng week. Like I said earlier, Monday is the first day of the week. Kaya ang third digit niya is 1. Ang Tuesday is the second day of the week. So its third digit is 2. Ngayon, pagmasdan natin ang Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. That's why its third digit is 3. Thursday is the 4th day of the week, and its third digit is 4. Saturday is the 6th day of the week, so its third digit is 6. Now, Friday. We all know that Friday is the 5th day of the week. Do we see any number 5s? Yes, we do. And it's the second digit. Now, this gives us our second clue. So our second clue is the first digit or the first two digits corresponds kung pang ilang number yung first letter nila sa alphabet. So M is the 13th letter in the alphabet. So its first two digits is 1 and 3. T is the 20th letter in the alphabet. That's why its first two digits is 20. W is the 23rd letter in the alphabet. That's why its first two digits is 2 and 3. Thursday, or T, is the same. It's the 20th letter in the alphabet. That's why its first two digits is 2 and 0. Friday, F, is the 6th letter in the alphabet. That's why its first digit is 6. Saturday, we have its first letter, which is S, which is the 19th letter in the alphabet. Now, with all those clues, we can now solve Sunday. So Sunday's value is 19, since 19th is the value of S in the alphabet, or should I say the order. Then its third digit is 7, since it's the 7th day of the week. And finally, 24. So we have our answer, 19724. Woo! Let's go guys for our second recreational math problem. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa una? Kasi ako nag-enjoy ako. And I hope nag-enjoy din kayo na mahanap natin yung value ng Sunday. Now, for our second problem, a farmer has 53 packs of seeds in his sack. 21 watermelon seed packs, 15 apple seed packs, and 17 orange seed packs. The lights suddenly go out, and he is completely in the dark. How many packs of seeds must he take out to make 100% certain he has at least one pack of apple seeds? Now, let's find out the answer. In my opinion, this is much easier than our first problem. So the answer is 40 packs of seeds. Here is the explanation. If he takes out 38 packs, this is by adding the two biggest amounts, which is 21 and 17. Although it is very unlikely, it is still possible. They could all be watermelon and orange. To make 100% certain that he also has a pack of apple seeds, he must take out a further 2 packs of seeds. Now, as I mentioned earlier, he could also take out just 39 packs. But to be 100% certain, he must take 2 packs further. So, we can say that he must take 40 packs of seeds, or 39 or more packs. So yun guys, hi once again, my name is Joe. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung 2 math problems na binigay ko sa inyo, and I hope you can share this to your friends and family. Kasi personally, I enjoy them. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo at natuto kayo with me. Now, since Joelka is still not finished, I will be passing on this discussion to my good friend Ella. Ella, take it away. Again, this is Joe guys, signing out. Bye-bye!
Hi everyone, I'm Ella. But before my presentation, I just want to thank Joe for sharing us some of example that related to math. So now, I will show you a recreational problem and a puzzle solving. Now, let us go to the recreational sample. So, from the arrangement of the matches, which is 15 matches. We just need to remove 6 to leave 10. So, what are we going to do? So, from the original arrangement, just remove 2 matches on the side of the first set and matchstick on the base. Then on the second set of matchsticks, just remove 1 matchstick on the right side. Just remove 1 matchstick. So for the last group of matchsticks, just remove 2 matchsticks. Above and below the diagonal position matchstick. So hence, the answer is in the picture. It is still 10. We don't see this as a number 10, but it is still 10. So here in the second sample is we should only remove 2 matches to leave only 4 equal squares. So now I will answer this equation. We only need to remove 2 matches to have 4 equal squares. So we need to remove at the down part and in the middle, and also at left side and in the place of matches into the middle. So now our equation is answered. So now I am done with my presentation, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something new about the recreational problem and the puzzle problem. So now let's move on to the next presenter, which is Miss Veron.
So hi guys, this is Veron or Vero, and thank you to Joe and Ella for discussing and giving examples about puzzle problem, recreational problems, and some mathematical problems that you can try at home. So in this clip, I'm going to discuss some common number patterns in which may mga number sequence ako na ipapakita na mayroong mga interesting patterns. So, this is the first common number patterns na ipapakita ko sa inyo. And makikita nyo siya sa mga screen ng device na ginagamit nyo. Is 0, 1, 4, 9, and blank. So, paano mahahanap yung last number na nasa screen? So, pwede nyo siya i-post. Then, maybe you can ask some friends or families to help you para makuha yung susunod na number. So, ganito yon. Siguro nagtataka kayo bakit 0149, then blank. Bakit 9 siya, di ba? So, eto nang sagot. Imumultiply mo lang siya sa sarili niya. Ha? Paano yun? 4 times 4, di dapat 16 yung kasunod. Bakit 9? So, ganito yon. Nakikita niyo yung nasa unahan na 0? Para makuha yung 0, magmumultiply tayo ng numbers sa sarili niya na ang lalabas is 0. So, medyo nagkakaroon na kayo ng hint kung paano nangyari yon. So, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. So, sunod-sunod na yan. Next is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, which is yun yung pangalawa natin sa sa sequence. And next is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So, ayun na yung next. Pang third natin. Next is 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Yun na yung nasa pang fourth na nasa sequence, which is 9. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung last. So, paano makukuha yung last? Sabi ko, di ba, hahanap tayo ng number na imumultiply sa sarili para makuha yung sagot. So, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And 16 yung hinahanap natin sa sequence. Okay, na-gets ba? So, ganun lang kasimple po yung common number patterns. So, that's it guys. Yun na yung mga examples ko about common number patterns. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa mga examples na binigay ko. And then, nag-enjoy din sana kayo sa mga binigay na examples or mga recreational problems na binigay na ni Jo at ni Ella kanina. Ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo and may natutunan kayo.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our short vlog. I hope you guys learned a lot. Please do like this video and subscribe to our channels for more content like this. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video and see you next time.